Here's another home improvement tip from Todd and Todd.
Well, how do you know when it's time to replace your windows? Well, here in West Dallas, we're looking at this window here, and one of the culprits for windows is water. Water has to drain away from a window or else it's going to cause a lot of damage. Let's take a look here. First thing to notice is on the top of this window here, and there's one piece of flashing that's missing, and it's called a drip cap. There should be an aluminum piece of flashing that goes over the top of this window underneath the siding, which allows water to drain over the top. That is missing in this case, and so what's happened is water just sits on the top of this casing and just drains into the casing, and look what it did here. This is absolutely destroyed, and there's really nothing that can be done other than to replace it. If you follow your eyes down here, you can see on the corners of the windows, this is very common to see, where you've got rotting taking place right at the corners of the casings where the siding meets the window casing. All right, what's gone on here is that the storm window, all right, has been caulked into the sill on the outside, leaving no avenue for any water to drain to the outside. So what's happened is water just soaked into this casing and just rots it out. The big problem here is that if this is left unchecked, not only will it destroy the window, but the water's actually going to drain into the wall and do some damage beneath the window. That's more extensive and much more costly. Hey Todd, what are you finding on the other side of the house?
Well, Todd, over on this section of the house, I found a window that had already been replaced approximately 15 years ago. The homeowner put an insulated glass window in here, which means that they took two pieces of glass, a thermal pane unit, and actually drawn the air out to create thermal efficiency. Unfortunately, after 15 years, that seal has broken. What that means is somewhere along the perimeter of that thermal pane glass, the seal has failed, allowing air to get inside of those two panes of glass. When the air gets inside those panes of glass, the moisture goes along with it and it condensates. So if you have a window on your home where you see condensation like this, or it just appears to be milky or dusty and you just can't get that piece of glass clean, chances are you've got a seal failure. It's time to get that window replaced.
If you're having any of these issues on your home, we offer a free in-home consultation. Just fill out the form on this page.